Hello and welcome to the course of Cryptography and System Security. I'm your instructor Sandeep Bidbhai. Today we will begin with the introduction to the course. As we aware of the data in the organization as well as personal data is more important to every individual. Now, the encryption is one of the security algorithm that we are going to apply to this data, and we are going to make this data secure. Many multinational organizations or any organization we can say they are trying to make the data secure by applying various security algorithms. So in order to avoid the unauthorized access to that data. So if we consider today's service providers in telecommunication domain, every organization is trying to make the user data more secure by applying two types of securities. First is the hardware security and second is the software security. Means software security involves the antiviruses and the firewall systems. Along with that, we can say this particular data needs to be secure in terms of making the data transmission secure and data storage secure. So when we say there is a transmission of the data from one end to another end, we need to make the secure not only data but also the channel in order to avoid the vulnerability in the network. So vulnerability means there is a weaker section in the network where the attacker can attack and steal the data. Okay. Now when we use about certain switches or routers where these particular users can have, or the attackers can have the possibility to attack and get the data stream and modify it or resend it with some modifications. So likewise, when we say there is an attack occurs, means the attack occurs on the data or on the system. So attackers always trying to decode the data as we are going to transfer the data over the channel. Encrypted data means we are not going to making that data encrypted, which is not readable by the attacker. So such kind of algorithms we are preferring in the network as well as user end to not allow to the attacker or third party which is trying to decode the data. So, with this background in mind, so we are going to study about this course. In this course, we are going to study about various algorithms, starting from the simple to complex. Um, we are trying to make the understanding about the security of the system, how we are going to make it out with the help of these algorithms. So there are various objectives that we set for this particular course. First objective deals with the classical encryption techniques and modular arithmetic as well as number theory. Second objective deals with the working with the principle and utility of various cryptographic algorithms. Includes the security key cryptography, hashes, message digest, as well as public key algorithms. Third objective deals with the authentication protocols. Likewise, PKI standards and various secure communication standards, including the CABOS, IPSec, and SSL, and TLS, and emails. So, third objective deals with these protocols, which we are going to apply it over the on the data. Fourth objective is to develop the ability to use the existing cryptographic utilities to build the programs for the secure communication. So out of these objectives, we are expecting some outcomes out of it. So at the end of this course, you would be in a position to understand or demonstrate these outcomes. First outcome that we are expecting is the system security goals and concepts. You need to understand that what are the goals and concepts of the classical encryption techniques and acquire the fundamental knowledge about it. So the concepts modular, arithmetic as well as number theory would be the outcome. Next outcome is to understand, compare, apply different encryption and decryption techniques to solve the problems related to the confidentiality as well as authentication. So, with the help of this third objective outcome that we are going to expect is to apply the knowledge of the cryptographic checksums and evaluate the performance of the different message digest algorithms for verifying the integrity of the varying data size or message sizes. And the fourth one is it is dealing with the digital signature algorithms. So as all of you know that the digital signature is nowadays very vital for making your document secure. So we are going to see what are the types of the digital signatures and how it works. Next outcome is to one understand about the working of the firewall security protocols like SSL, IPSec, and PGP. So the last objective, last outcome is to analyze the apply the system security concept to recognize the malicious code. As far as this particular outcome is concerned, we are going not only to see the security concepts applying over the data, and we are going to see the analysis of its performance and recognize how the malicious codes will be exist. So the textbooks for this particular course you can refer William Stalling. It is titled as Cryptography and Network Security, the sixth edition. This is one of the important books. Rest of the books that we can prefer is Cryptography and Network Security by Behrouz and Bernard. Along with that, we can have the Network Security Bible, which is written by Eric Cole. So William Stalling Cryptography and Network Security is available on this web link. You can refer it. Reference books also you can refer. It is Applied Cryptography and Protocol Algorithms and Secure Source Code in C by Bruce, and Cryptography and Network Security by Atul Kahate. Prerequisite for this particular course is some maturity of mathematics reasoning. Topics that we are going to cover in this course are introduction and number theory, symmetric and asymmetric key cryptography, and key management. In that, we are going to cover the classical encryption techniques, block ciphers, data encryption standards, advanced encryption standards, block cipher operation, stream ciphers, key management techniques. Along with that, we are going to have the hash, message digest, and digital certificates. Also, we are going to have the authentication protocols, digital signature schemes, network security application, and system security. Okay, thank you for watching. I will continue with the next video. Thank you.